You know that I count all them racks. You know that that's facts. You will get jacked, get hit with that Mac. Knock off your hat, you was a rat. Take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom. Trapped out that Louis and Prada.
Okay, so still not flat. It's only been like an hour and a half or 2 hours. But I have to go out, so I gotta figure out what to do with my hair within the next 30 minutes, 20 minutes or so. Okay, so here's my little 3-minute tutorial. I'm really sorry about the angle. I don't know why I recorded it in this angle, but I wasn't really planning on posting it. It was just like a thing that I just wanted to record. But anyway, I just did 2 ponytails, and then I have these clips, and then I have these rings that I've been using that are like so cute. I've been using them for like my quick little hairstyles. I'm gonna put some pictures up at the end, like some pictures of boomerangs that I took on Instagram. And maybe I'll do like the little 3-minute tutorials for those hairstyles in like one video because they're really cute. So yeah, just continue watching. I don't have anything else to say. Okay, my AC is loud. This is what I decided to go with, and I'm going out regular. Trying to decide if I want to put on these earrings, but I don't want to do too much. I'm just going to get ice cream. Like, calm down. All right, we're not gonna do the earrings. We're gonna be regular. That's it.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. That's Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana. You gon' have to give me Anna if you tryna get some sloppiana. I call my ops Appiana, then shut down Eve St. Loriana. I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Capiana. Capiana. Benny Hanna to Katana. I've been a Donna, he screaming my government. On Nika Tanya, you look like Nicki now. Still you Takiana. To keep it 100, you Wakiana.